Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add multiple headings in one column in Elementor, right? As you can see on my screen right now, I'm just creating a new web page for my website, and right now I'm going to add a section over here, right? And as you can see in the middle of the screen, we are having a plus icon. We just need to click on that, and here it is asking us whether we want flexbox or whether we want grid, right? So we are going to select grid, and in the structure, as you can see, there are too many structures available, right? You can select any of them as per your convenience. Right now I'm going to select this one, the one row and two column structure, right? So I have selected that. Now we just want to add multiple headings in the one column itself, right? So for that you just need to add the first heading first, right? So for adding a heading, we are going to click on the plus icon in the black header line, right? So we have clicked on add element, right, the plus icon, and here we are going to search for heading, right? So heading widgets is available over there. We just need to drag and drop this heading widget from the left side toolbar to the first column of our section, right? So I have just simply dragged and dropped it over here, right? Now you can simply change the content, the heading text, right, from the left side toolbar itself from the content settings, and you can also change the style setting and advanced settings, right? But right now we are going to add a paragraph under this heading, right? So for that, again, you need to move your cursor on the top black header, and you need to click on plus icon, the add element icon, and you just need to search for text editor in the widgets, right? And you need to again drag and drop this text editor widget under your heading in that particular column, right? So as you can see, I have simply dragged and going to drop over here, right? So as you can see, like, my paragraph is getting moved towards the second column, right? So like, how I can keep the heading and the paragraph and the another headings in one column? So for that, you just need to again delete this paragraph, and you can see when we move our cursor onto the paragraphs, then automatically a pink icon appears in top right corner, right? We just need to right click on that and click on delete. Okay, so I've clicked on delete. Now again, I'm going to delete this heading which I have added first, right? So to again delete this heading, you need to move your cursor over the heading and just need to right click on the edit heading button in the top right corner, right, and select delete, right? So this is not the actual way, right? If you are adding just heading and text and again heading, they would never come in a single column. For that, you just need to add a container first, right? So to add a container, again, I am just moving my cursor over the top black header and going to click on this add element icon, and in the widgets I'm going to search for container, right? And as you can see, container is over there, right? And I am going to drag this container widget in the first column. Okay, so in the first column we have a container right now, and again I'm moving my cursor on the black header, top header, right, and going to click on add element, and here I'm going to search for heading widget, and then again I'm going to drag this heading widget and drop it in the first column container, right? So I've simply moved my cursor and dropped this heading in the first container. Now I'm going to again the black header line and click on add element icon, and here I'm going to search for text editor in the widgets and going to drag and drop this text editor widget under my heading. As you can see, now pink line is coming over here, but before that, like in the previous scenario the pink line was coming in the left and right, right? So that was because we have not added container first, right? So now we are going to drop this text editor under the heading, right, and the same container, right? So as you can see, we have simply dropped this paragraph, or you can say text editor, under the heading, right? You can simply write whatever the content you want over here. In the left side toolbar, you can see there are three kinds of settings in the edit text editor. The first one is content, style and advanced. You can simply type whatever the paragraph you want. Now I am going to add the another heading in the same column, right? So for that I have simply moved my cursor over the top black header line and going to click on add element, and in the widgets I'm going to search for heading again, right? And again I'm going to drag and drop this heading widget under the paragraph, right? So as you can see, the pink line is getting displayed over there for your reference, like where heading would be placed once you drop. Okay, so I'm going to drop this heading. So as you can see, in the same column we have the first heading, then paragraph, and the second heading, right? So you can also add multiple headings in a single column using this method, right? And if you want to change the heading into the subheading, then also you can do that simply. For that we are going to edit this second heading, and to edit this second heading you just need to move your cursor over the heading, and again in the top right corner there is a pen icon, right? You just need to click on that to edit this heading. And in the left side toolbar, again there are three settings: the content setting, style setting, and the advanced setting. You need to go to the content setting, and in the content setting under the heading tab you just need to change the HTML tag to H4 or H5, right? So as you can see, this is the main heading and this is the subheading. So this is how you can simply add multiple headings in a single column of a container in Elementor and WordPress. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. Apart from that, if you want to learn digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.